Today I'm going to demonstrate how to mix an Absolut Hunter. Now this cocktail is in the shooter category, so it's going to be 1.5 ounces of alcohol. So we're going to start by adding our ice to our 16-ounce mixing glass, something to cool down our ingredients. And then we're going to mix our ingredients. We have Jägermeister, which is where it gets the Hunter name in the title. Jägermeister is a German herbal liqueur that's produced in 1935, and they haven't changed the recipe since. The name actually means master of the hunt. You get the deer on there, kind of understandable. And then the absolute part of the title here comes from the Absolut vodka. So we're going to want to go to a 3/4 ounce pour to a 3/4 ounce pour, or a 3 count on each. So 1, 2, and 3. If you ever notice that one pour spout is pouring a little more slowly than the other, just hold it over the glass a little bit longer. From there, we're going to mix and shake our ingredients between our mixing glass and our tin. And remember, when you're mixing, you really want to shake well, because that's going to help water down the drink a little bit, which is actually kind of part of the recipe. From there, you're going to strain into your shot glass. And that is your Absolut Hunter. A shot you'll definitely enjoy.